Hello there. I understand you require an auto memory doll to write a letter for you. I will travel anywhere to meet your request. Auto memory doll Rosca at your service. May I come in? Thank you. Which room would you like to use for this? Very well. As long as there is somewhere for me to set up and use my typewriter, it should be just fine. After you. May I sit? Thank you. Please give me a moment to set up my typewriter. There we go. Now, may I ask who it is you wish to send a letter to? I see. So the two of you are in love, but your families will never allow you to be together. That's very sad. I'm sorry you have to go through that. But don't fret. I'll help you write the perfect letter to get your feelings across. What type of letter is this going to be? A goodbye letter, perhaps? Or maybe a proposal to run away together? A goodbye letter. Very well, I can do that for you. We can start whenever you're ready. Just say how you feel, and I'll bring the words to life on the paper. Oh, yes, please, I would like some tea. Thank you. Now, shall we begin? Very good. As I said before, all you need to do is say how you feel and I'll put it into the letter. Yes. No, keep going. I can keep up. There. If that's everything, then I believe the letter is finished. Would you like me to read it back to you, so you can tell me if you approve? Very well. My darling, this letter will most likely be the last time either of us hears from one another, so I wanted to pour my feelings out to you one last time. I hold the night we met in Lord Grey's garden in my heart all the time. I think I always will. While our families will almost certainly marry us off to people we have no desire to be with, know that I will never love another as much as I love you. I will keep the memories we have made together for the rest of my days. And who knows, maybe someday, in another life, we'll find each other again. I certainly hope so. Being apart from you until then will be a very harsh reality to wake up to every morning. But I will endure. I hope you do not wallow in sadness at the thought of our separation. I pray instead that you may find something in this life that makes you truly happy. Goodbye, my darling. I will miss you dearly. Yours forever, your one and only. Is this acceptable for you, or should we start over? Very well. I'll arrange for it to be mailed and delivered as soon as I get back. Speaking of which, Do you know the recipient's address? That's quite far. By my best estimate, I'd say the letter should reach its destination within roughly 10 days, depending on weather conditions. Will there be anything else today? Very well. Then I'll take my leave. Thank you for your patronage. Please consider using our auto memory doll service again. And thank you for the tea. It was delicious. If your letter gets a reply, I will personally return and hand deliver it myself. Take care and have a good day. Hello, it's me. Your letter was delivered and you received a reply. So, as promised, I'm here to hand deliver it to you myself. No thanks are necessary. I'm simply doing my duty as a doll. Would you like me to come in and read the letter for you? Very well. No, thank you. I'll pass on the tea this time. Shall I begin reading? Very well. My sweetheart, the decision our families made was completely unjustified. I can't accept never being able to see you again. I understand your attempt to say goodbye, but I can't just say goodbye like that. I want to see you one last time. No, I want to see you all the time. I want to be with you forever. This may sound ridiculous, but what if we were to run away and start our own life together? I understand you may be hesitant to do this. Our families will almost certainly disown us if we do. But I'm willing to give up my status as a noble if it means I can spend my life with you. There is a small village about 3 days' journey from my family's estate. If your love for me is as fierce as mine is for you, meet me there, in 6 days from when you get this, on the anniversary of the night we first met. I'll be staying at an inn called the Lucky Rabbit. We'll run away together and start our own life. We could get married. We could have children. We could finally be happy together. If you do not show, I will cease all of this foolishness and will never bother you again. Above all else, as you wish for me, I only wish for you to be happy too. And if that happiness cannot be found with me, I hope you find the person with whom it can. I will be there in 6 days. I hope you will too. Yours, and only yours, your love. That is everything in the letter. Normally, I'd ask if you wish to send a response, but judging by the contents of this letter, it wouldn't reach its destination in time. It appears there is only one way to reply to this letter, and that is through your actions. No, the content of your letters is for you and you alone. You can rest assured that what I read here today will be taken to my grave. I will never divulge that information to anyone. If I may ask a question, out of my own personal curiosity, will you go to this village and meet with your beloved? My advice? I don't believe I'm the right person for you to ask romantic advice from. It's a rather foreign subject to me. If it were me, I think I'd go. I can't tell you what to do or even what the right answer is, but the love you two seem to share is the type of thing most people spend their whole lives searching for. So yes, if it were me, I'd go. I wouldn't even think twice. Now, If that'll be all, I'll take my leave. Another letter? I've already told you it won't reach your beloved in time. It's for your family. Am I correct in assuming that this will be another goodbye letter? Very well. One moment. I'll need to replace the ink after this. Okay. Please begin whenever you're ready, just like last time. Yes. How does this sound? Dear Mother and Father, by the time you read this, I will already be long gone. Do not try to find me. You will not be successful. I understand my actions may upset you, but I cannot sit idly by while you attempt to dictate every decision of my life. I am going to be with my beloved. We're going to run away and start a life together. One where the approval of our families doesn't matter anymore. Maybe someday in the future we'll see each other again. If that day should come, I pray you no longer bear me any ill will. Despite everything that has happened between us recently, I'll still miss you terribly. Goodbye. Does this capture the essence of what you wish to say? Very good. I'll have this mailed right away when I get back. It should be delivered the day after tomorrow. No, I don't require the address this time. I'm quite familiar with who your family is. Some of your family members are regular clients. Nobles make up most of our clientele, what with them having to keep business correspondence and whatnot. Do you require anything else of me? Very well, ask away. I believe the fastest way there would be the steam train. The next one headed in that direction should be leaving in about 2 hours. Now, I must take my leave. Thank you for your patronage. Please consider using our auto memory doll service again. And, for what it's worth, I'm happy for you. Good luck.